So here we're talking about more than one phase. So the example gives us a solid breaking apart into a solid and a gas. So to write the equilibrium expression, we would think we would have products over reactants. So in the end down here at the bottom, it says KEQ is just the concentration of the CO2. So it tells us that solids and liquids have a concentration that's pure, right? So I can't change the concentration of a solid or a liquid. And so think about it. A liquid is just, if we had water, let's say, is 100% water, right? The water is the water. So I can't change the concentration of the water itself. Just like if I had a solid block of gold, the gold is gold, right? It's a solid piece. I can't change the concentration of that. So if I were to write this equilibrium expression, I would say KEQ is equal to the products, which would be the concentration of CaO. And remember, that's to the first power because there's a 1 in front of there. There's a 1 in front of there. So concentration of CO2, right? And then over the reactant, which is CaCO3, the concentration of that. But since I cannot mess with the concentration of solids, both of these become a 1. The CaCO becomes a 1. The CaCO3 becomes a 1. And in that expression, I don't really care about the 1. So I'm essentially just getting rid of those, which leaves me with KEQ equals the concentration of CO2. So when you see solids, when you see liquids, leave them out of the equilibrium expression.